Hi everyone, this is Sandy Crane at the Heart, and I'm back with a pretty big Destash. This is the first round of Destashes. I just ran out of boxes. So I'm doing a massive clean out of my craft area for the new year. I've got somebody coming to work on my internet, so it's a good excuse to get it all cleaned up before he comes. Because I've been kind of postponing it. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. It's $35 for each one of these boxes. If you are interested in a box, please email me at scoop71@yahoo.com. I will let you know it's available, and then you'll just go to PayPal and send me the money. $35, and that includes shipping. So and you have to be in the US because otherwise shipping is just outrageous because this stuff's really heavy. So, and you let me know what box number you want. So let's go ahead and get started. This is a brand new collection called Pinecone Lodge. I've never used it. I bought it either last year or the year before. Who knows, really, honestly. But it's really cute. And, of course, you can't find this collection anymore. But it's just do a quick flip through. It's got foiling. It's really beautiful. I thought about keeping it after I looked at it and saw how cute it was. But I just have so much Christmas that I have to let it go. So there's that one. That's included. This is box number 1. And then I have a ton of paper. So this is a Bella Boulevard paper. And then this is a bunch of Simple Stories because I had bought a Simple Stories box. So this is tons and tons of Simple Stories paper. This is double-sided. I'm just showing you like one side because I don't want this video to be 50,000 minutes. So here's this and this. Lots and lots of paper. So this is a Simple Stories, like lots of Simple Stories paper from their warehouse boxes. Here's a sticker sheet. Valentine's. And then I looked through it and I went, oh, I really want this and I want that. But I just decided just to let it all go. And it's not like I'm not going to get more paper because I am. I used one of it. So there's just tons and tons and tons and tons and tons of paper. And there's a sticker sheet there. Just tons of paper. So that's included. These boxes are packed. So this is all still box number 1. Then I have to somehow find a way to get it all back together. I've got this. It's Created with the Heart. I'm sorry. It's Close to My Heart. It's got these compliments in there. It's got some paper. It's got these little sequin things. I've got this, which is a fancy pants called Millie and June. This is the complete collection, which includes the 12 sheets of double-sided paper. It includes the sticker sheet of, they're like, I don't know, they're foiled, and some of them are foiled, and they're puffy stickers, and then puffy sticker alphabets. That's included. This is Splash. Most of these collections should be full collections. Occasionally I pull a piece out and use it, but a lot of these are full collections. This is Echo Park Splash. This is an authentique collection. It's a 4th of July collection. I have stickers that go with it. I have a bunch of papers. They're really, really thick. So I have almost the full collection of whatever that is. So I forget what it's called. Glory. And then I have Halloween. And then I have the Halloween pencils. And then I have this Capture Basic Gray. It's never been used. And they're like little cut apart journal card things. Okay, so this one is $35 and it's box number 1. Let me just stick it back in the box so I don't lose anything. And so hardest part is putting everything back in. So I put it back in, and then we're going to go ahead and move on to box number 2. I'm going to move quickly here and give you guys another glimpse of everything. right, everything fit. Okay, back to box number 2. All right, box number 2. I'm going to write this box down. Okay, let's go ahead and get started here. It includes this collection, which is called Secret Crush. It's by Pink Paisley. It includes 20, well, how many sheets? 24 double-sided cardstock papers. And then I also have the journal cards and the ephemera for that. And then it also includes the Story of Fall, Echo Park, never used. This one, which is Colorful Christmas Authentique. This is Summer Bliss. This is a Hot Buy Die Cuts with the View. I don't think I used any of this one. And this one is called La Belle Rouge Stack, 48 sheets. And it's got all this, what do you call that? There's like some raised, like vinyl, some glitter. Bow Bunny 6x6 Enchanted Harvest. I never use that. These stickers. This is an ephemera pack from Maya Road. It has some tape. Just all kinds of stuff in here. Little stick pins, ribbon, all kinds of stuff in there. These Maya Road Primo Planner. These are like plastic sheets. Maya Road, that. These stickers, this stamp, this houndstooth stamp. That one. These stickers, this flower, the stickers, and the enchanted chipboard. Okay, so that's box number 2. I'm going to go ahead and put this stuff to the side and get my bigger stuff in the box. Maybe it's a good thing that I only had 4 boxes because this takes a while to get through to make sure people see what's in it. And again, this is $35. Okay, last thing. All right, now we're going to go to box number 3. Let me write down 3 on here so I don't mess that up. Okay, it's box number 3. Remember, email me at scoop71, SCOOP71 at yahoo.com. Okay. I've got this chipboard, Teresa Collins family chipboard. This My Reflections. I forget what this is called. It's called Mayberry. It's got most of the collection in here, I believe. I use 1 sheet of that. This is Stampin' Up, never used. It says ho 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 and glitter in different sizes. So the words H-O all over in 3 sheets. Chipboard. This is the North Pole Gazette. This one is for this year. I got this from Michael's. I used maybe 15 sheets of this. Okay, and it comes with 48. Just so you know, it's like most of the paper is in here. I got this collection Take Note. So it includes everything you see, which is 2 each of 6 designs of 12 by 12 paper, an ephemera pack, and square brag cards. So it comes with all that. This is brand new as well. It's Victoria Garden by Echo Park, never used. And then I have some pieces of collections. I have a few sheets of the 8.5 by 11.5 or something with the weird size that they do for A4. A wee little story by Prima. But I also have also some sheets of the 6x6. This one, I have a lot of sheets of that one. And then I also have the cards. These are the 4x6 cards. I have most of those. I have this one, which is Bo Bunny cardstock sheets. And then I have this Nana's Nursery Baby Girl. Put this one to the side. I can't put this one. So this one has a little bit less in it. I'm actually going to make box number 3 $30. So box 1 and 2 are $35, and this one is $30 for this one. That includes shipping. Shipping is like 14 bucks. All right. And last box number 4. And this one will be 35. So the only one that's 30 is the box number 3. It's a little bit less. This one has a lot of stuff in it. Okay. So you get this Full Summer Days by Echo Park. You get this In Bloom, My Mind's Eye paper kit. You get this Die Cuts with You Celebration. It's got about 20 sheets in it. This one, Save Freeze, which I used maybe half of this. Most of it's still there in that collection. This is a variety of papers. Let's see what this is. Sticker sheets. Okay, so this is, I just have to pull it out. So let's see. It's got these plain sheets. These are actually Carta Bella. A is for alphabet, which I probably should have kept since I kept the A is for alphabet. Whatever. Echo Park sticker sheet. This is a Lori Whitlock Note to Self. And then these sheets are all Chillingsworth. And they're like the B-sides. It's all the plain papers. But it's already in here. That's the stuff. This. Okay, so there's that. And then it comes with this stamp set. The Safari Kids stack by Die Cuts with You. 8x8, never used it. Comes with this Finnabar. It's missing one of the things, but I mean, you could take the paper out because it's this thick kind of paper, or if you have a thing, you could bind it all. You can make your own. The bunch of Bo Bunny 12x12. This one is called Sweet Life, but I also have the 6x6 never used that goes with that. Oops. What happened to you? There we go. Note to self, I have the 6x6 paper pad for that one. And then I've got this and this. Stickers. This was not used. It's from Pebbles. I have this Domestic Bliss, whatever these are, snap packs. I have this stamp set, these transfers, and these Simple Stories clips. Okay, that's box number 4. So if you're interested, just go ahead and email me at scoop71@yahoo.com, and I'll try and keep this thing updated, and then be looking sometime later today when I get to the post office and get some more boxes and do some more clearing out, and I will be back with more Destash. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy Crying at the Heart.